Good morning guys, in front of me is OUKITEL WP20 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone gallery, then select the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to, select Edit and click on Add Picture. Now select the source from which you want to select this picture. It can be device photos, Google Photos or illustrations. Just mark this album that you want to pick a photo from. Let me choose one from downloads. Then customize it however you like. Click on choose to apply it and save to save the change. And that's it. As you can see from now on, this photo actually is assigned to particular number, to particular contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.